How to fix Netflix not working but if your internet connection is still fine. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if Netflix is not working even though your internet connection is just fine. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if the internet connection is just fine on your phone and your device overall, but you're not being able to stream Netflix, then it could be due to multiple reasons and not just one. So the very first thing we will do is we will simply go ahead and then long press on the Netflix application over here. Once you long press on this icon, you just need to tap on this little I button which you see, which will take you to the app information page of Netflix. Over here you want to scroll down and go to storage. As you go to storage, I would recommend you to clear the cache and also clear your data. But keep in mind that clearing your data will log you out of your account and it will delete all of the downloads which you have within the Netflix app. So you might need to re-enter your login credentials again. After you do that, I would just recommend you to go ahead and open up your Play Store and then simply search for Netflix and then check if the Netflix app has an update available. If this doesn't fix the issue as well, if the Netflix app came with the default version, then I would recommend you to uninstall the updates of the Netflix app. When you uninstall the updates of the Netflix application over here, you can just go ahead and update the Netflix app to the latest version, because most likely one of these will definitely solve your problem. If not, then I would recommend you to switch your network connection, because sometimes a particular IP address could be banned from Netflix server. So you could just go ahead and try to switch your network connection if you have some other connections available. If not, then I would also just recommend you to simply switch to cellular data and see if that fixes the issue, because most of the time cellular data is also going to let you open up the Netflix application. And hopefully this video answered a question as to what you can do if Netflix is not working but your internet connection is just fine. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.